The angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower at a point distant 100 meter from its base is 45 degree. The tower and tower the tanda tower the chadan gyure. That is the tower the base ne 100 meter in a yard that the tower matsagyo gauge tabina any angle the ship race. China, the how much higher must the tower be raised so that its angle of elevation at the same point may be 60 degree. Chesa KC angle the tower the tanto ya toje kaje ya nar kurves kaje ya suyo kurves angle of elevation the 60 degree chayala. That the let the tambo ngadu remove the tibina. Okay, that the karlashana 100 meters. So the base ne dus 100 meter chelia. Base ne do the 100 meters chelia. So 100 meter is the point in nature tower tigitse putuyata vina. The angle of elevation the kazerelana 45 degrees. Chena the toze the kazuya narkores kesi angle of elevation the 60 degree chagiyuna. Chena the question karana kesi angle the next the angle the 60 degree chagiyunas. Suppose the angle the 60 degree, the angle conda 60 degree ina and the toze the kazuya narkores. Question there. Chena the ngazu to exercise. Okay, 다 뒤와대 가relana 지나 디 기지 가져야 날 거를 왜스 먼저 가르쳐 보는 디 x 기준 또 세워. Okay, so we form a triangle. Down the triangle here. So you know first, then my perpendicular distance. Then perpendicular distance. Then okay, down the triangle there means dana A, B, C, and D. So let's take the BD given to the H bar chashish. So we have to find out this x value. So first, the triangle chungatina tabina in the smaller triangle BC the 100 meter ratio and the angle 45 ratio, and then we can easily find BD. So the adjacent and the opposite. So we'll get this one the H key value the lamsara. In triangle BCD, this BD upon BC, so this is the opposite upon adjacent, it becomes tan theta. So here the theta value is 45. So tan 45 value the 1, and BD we denote as H. BC is 100. Cheza H की value the kajaraso 100 meters. Now next the triangle chedina ABC now. Now the triangle chedina chena in triangle ABC, AB upon BC. So angle is 60 degree. So AB becomes opposite, BC becomes adjacent. So AB divided by BC, this is tan theta. Here theta value is 60 degree. So then tan 60 degree value the root 3, and AB is h plus x divided by BC is 100. So cross multiply h plus x equals to 100 root 3. Now h की value कजिरला 100. So it's 100 plus x equals to 100 root 3. Therefore x equals to 100 root 3 minus 100. Now root 3 की value कजलने इंदना मतलब question आंगलोला tigr. So root 3 equals to 1.73. Cheza 1.73. Cheza 100 into 1.73 minus 100. So the kajarana kyada 22 minus 100. Therefore 73 meter. So the conclusion kare, how much higher, how much higher must the tower be raised, Labina? So that's the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree from 45 degree. Therefore the value is 73 meter. Therefore conclusion, tower must be raised by 73 meters.